Welcome, Jason Tillman, Triumph Restaurant in the Iroquois Hotel. Today we're going to be doing some coriander crusted New Zealand rack of lamb with rosemary. Simple, 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 and very, very yummy. Stick around. Okay, so what we have now, guys, is we have our lamb. We have some coriander that I've just put in a spice mill, ground it up, crusted that lamb with that. We're going to add a little salt, both sides, a little salt, and a little pepper. Okay, just like that. All right, and what we're going to do is we got a nice hot pan. Going to add a little bit of canola oil. See it start to smoke. Nice. That's how you know your pan is nice and hot. And we're going to go ahead and put that in the pan. Nice. Now we don't want to shake it around. We don't want to go crazy with it. We just want to let it sit and start to get a nice crispy crust on it. I'm going to turn that heat down a little bit, and we're going to let it sit on that one side for about 2.5 minutes. Then we're going to flip it over. We're going to do the same on both sides, get it in a nice golden brown on both sides evenly. If you can see, look at that, nice and golden brown. Look how yummy that looks. We're going to go ahead and flip it. Okay. Now at this point, what we do in the restaurant is we take this lamb right here and we go ahead and we put it right in the oven. So I'm going to go ahead and put it right in the oven. And that's going to go up to my desired temperature of medium rare medium. Our next step is once it comes out of our oven and we're at medium rare medium. Actually, I like it rare to medium rare, but it's come out of the oven. I put a little bit of butter in the pan, and we're going to do a very classic French technique called basting. All right, and we're going to add a little bit of rosemary, fresh rosemary, just like that. All right, and we're going to baste that. So we're going to go ahead and, as that cooks, all that butter, all that flavor goes into that lamb. It becomes really nice and yummy. Okay. Look at that. Nice. See that? See how all the flavor from that rosemary? And you're going to go ahead and infuse it into that lamb. Really nice and easy. Simple. Simple, simple. You can eat this rosemary if you want, but what we do at the restaurant is we are doing it this way so we can get that rosemary flavor, and then we pull it out. All right. If you guys could smell this, you'd be like, oh my goodness, the smell is phenomenal. Oh, so nice. What I'm going to do here is what we do at the restaurant is we put this over top spinach, and we use some foie gras stuffed prunes and some other things. But for yourself and your family, we're going to go ahead and put the rosemary down, pull it out of the pan, I'm going to pat it off a little bit, and you can set it right on the plate. You can slice it, you can serve it however you want at this point. But really simple, easy, coriander crusted rack of New Zealand lamb with rosemary. Thank you very much for joining me today in my kitchen. Jason Tillman, Executive Chef, Triumph Restaurant here in the Iroquois Hotel. We'll see you soon.